Hello everyone, I'm Shalja Sharma, your computer teacher. In previous session we have discussed about social networking. In this session we are going to cover three topics related to social networking. The topics are features available on social networking sites and ethics in social networking and the service providers for social networking. Okay, so once again we will revise the definition of social networking. What is social networking? It is the use of internet based social media programs to make connections with friends, family, classmates, customers, and clients. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, let's start with the first topic, which is features available on social networking sites. The social networking sites provide certain functionality which are called features. Means the social networking sites provide us many kind of facilities which we can use on that particular site. Okay, so we are going to, those facilities are known as functionalities, those functionalities are known as features. Okay, that helps users to connect with the other users in multiple ways. So let's discuss those features. Okay, the first feature we do have is user profile. The first feature we do have is user profiles. Like it represent the information about the user in organized format, like you might have seen on the social networking site. For example, on Facebook you might have seen the user profile information, like it is divided into segments, like personal information is there, educational information is there, okay, employment history is there, and other kind of information is also specified over there. So it represents the information about the user, so that if someone going to read that, someone can get a very clear idea that what is all about that particular user. Okay, so second point we do have is blog engine. Like if you are working on any of the blog site, so those blog sites gives you the facility to create blogs, blog post, tag and categories to each other. Means you can, whatever blog you wanted to post, you can post that particular blog, and you can also tag to the number of people to whom you wanted to tag in that particular blog. Okay, and you can also define its categories. Then next option we do have is photo album. Like facility, it provides us the facility to upload and organize photos using the album infrastructure. You might have seen, like on Facebook we can upload a single photo, as well as if we wanted to upload number of photos, we have an option which is known as photo album. So next option which we have is groups. Like we can create groups on any of the social networking site. Fine. So groups allows user to interact with each other around the common topic. Like for example, there is a group on any of the social networking site which is for the preparation of competitive exams. Okay, the people who are preparing for those kind of exam, they can join that particular group, they can do discussions on those particular topics. Okay, so next topic is next feature available with us is discussion board. Like it allows users to easily post messages and comments to the community in a way that all the responses will be viewable, no matter how much time passes between each post. Like you can update whatever you wanted to update, and you can have discussion on that particular topic as well. People can do comment on your particular post, and you can also do revert to those particular posts. Okay, the time is not there is no time bar for posting such comments. Okay, there could be a possibility that you might have posted a message on the discussion board maybe before 6 months, and this could be a possibility if someone is commenting on that particular post right now in these days. So anytime anyone can do discussion on any of the topics posted by you, whether now or whether before some months ago. Okay. Next feature we do have is media galleries, like a generic architecture that allows user to host videos, photos, resumes to any kind of other physical files. So usually it provides us the space, like where user can post, like store their videos, photos, whatever they wanted to store they can have. Okay, it provides us a organized structure. Fine. Next facility we do have is the activity stream. Like you might have seen on the social networking site, when your any of the friends post any of the thing on the network social networking site, you get notification for the same. Okay, so that if you wanted to react on that particular thing, or you wanted to put comment on that particular thing, so can do so that you can do the same. Okay, so users can track the activity of their friends and can be instantly notified when somebody publishes an interesting blog post, uploads a photo, joins the community. The next feature we do have is the messaging. It allows users to communicate with each other or a group, or with a group, like directly, resembling the look and feel of traditional mail clients. Like if you don't wanted to discuss something on the discussion board, you wanted to have the like one on one communication, then there is the messaging feature available with us as well. Fine. Then the next feature we do have is walls. Wall is a kind of virtual space on every user's profile or group page that allows friends to post messages for others to see. This usually the central gathering point for all the users of the community. Generally, like when anyone opens your account and anyone tries to view your profile information, there is a one place which is known as the wall. For example, you might have seen people, when people give post birthday wishes on someone's uh, profile, that particular place is known as the wall. Okay. The next feature we have is comments. Comment modules allows users to interact with the content and the other members of the social network. Wherever you feel like post your views on someone's post, you can put your comment on that particular post. Okay. Next feature we have is the tags. Like if you wanted to tag someone with on your post, you can do the same. Like similar to comments and ratings, tags can be attached to different types of content, allowing users to build an independent form of navigation and categorization. That is all. Now we'll talk about the ethics in social networking. Like social networking brings responsibility with it. Like as a responsible e-citizen, one should practice these ethics while connecting via social networks. First perspective which we do have is the right perspective. First perspective we do have is the right perspective. Like carefully upload the contents, pictures, videos, etc. Whenever you are uploading anything on the social networking site, you should be careful about all those things, as it may also involve others, and posting these may violate others user privacy. For example, you have clicked some photos or some pictures with your friends, and you are going to upload those pictures on the Facebook. So once you need to take the consent of those friends who are there in the picture with you. So that is because some people don't like to post their pictures on social networking sites. So without their permission, you cannot do the same. Like you should be careful about such things. Okay, the second point is one should be very careful about posting content, as it becomes hard for the users to exercise complete control over the images and the personal information made available online. Like sometime we post everything on the social networking site, like from wherever we are going, we are posting the status, we are posting the pictures and all. With those picture, if someone is there who doesn't have good intentions, the person can misuse that particular stuff. So we should be very very careful about posting such content. Okay. So the second perspective is utilitarian perspective, means useful or the practical perspective of the same. Like one should deliberately keep away from indulging in illegal and unethical activities like hacking and posting of threatening online messages. Like we should stay away from such kind of people who are involved in such kind of activities, and we should also stay away from such kind of things. The next perspective we do have is fairness perspective. Like one should treat every other user equal and no less than in any way. Like there should not be any kind of discrimination based on the gender, age and other personality traits of a person while interacting with the other users online. Then we have the common good perspective. Like your every action must not hinder in any way the betterment of the society and promoting common good of the users. Like your your any like any of your actions must not obstruct or stop the society betterment, or like any kind of obstruct should not occur because of your any action on the social networking site. That is it. Now we'll discuss about the service provider. Like the social networking on the internet takes place in variety of models. Following are some providers in different types of social networking. Like first we have the friendship social networking. Here are many sites available. Like we do have Friendster, MySpace, Friends Reunited, hi-fi.com. There are a number of sites available for friendship social networking. Like we do have Facebook. So although we have discussed many things about the Facebook, okay, let's move to the next social networking model, which is the business social networking model. Like we'll talk about, there are many sites available for business social networking. We'll talk about the LinkedIn.com. So www.linkedin.com is the web address or the URL for this particular site. If you wanted to use this is basically on this particular website, like employers and the job seekers are connected with each other. Like employers post the new vacancies in their companies, like, and job seekers will post their resumes on this particular website. So if there wherever is any match, they can contact with each other. Fine. Or they discuss about the latest technology, latest trends in the market. Okay, whatever is related to their field, they will discuss those terms on that particular social networking in the form of posts and many other things. So that is all about the business social networking model. Now we'll talk about the hobby social networking. Like there are number of sites available, like which works on this particular model. Like if we talk about the flickr.com, this is the site basically for video hosting and the photo hosting site. Okay, like people who like to do photography, okay, they usually post their pictures on this particular website. They usually post their videos on this particular website. This is a like a big hub for these kind of stuff. Okay, like if on this particular site we have like billion number of pictures available. Fine. Now we have the informational social networking model. Like we have many sites under this social networking model. Like we have ehow.com. www.ehow.com is the web address for the same. Like on this particular site, what happen is like we have videos on YouTube. By in those videos, they guide us like a step by step to do something. In same way on ehow.com, on particular topic you will receive some videos which teaches you how to do this particular thing step by step. So this is the about the informational social networking. After this, we have is the educational social networking. There are a number of sites available under this. Like if we'll talk about Go IIT, this is the site for 11th, 12th, and for 12th students, or for the students who have dropped their 1 year for taking admission into good colleges under good universities. So all those students are connected on this particular site. They do discussions for physics, chemistry, math. Like tutors are available on this site for 24/7. So they do discussion related to their education stuff. Fine. Then we have new social networking sites. On these sites, the news are updated time to time. Like we have Yahoo Voices, we have Helium, we have Now Public, we have Suit 101, we have Trend. Thank you so much, everyone. That is it.